What if you could use a customer's card details without actually keeping their card details in your systems? That's the idea behind payment tokenization. Sensitive payment data, like a card number, is replaced with a non-sensitive value called a token. Think of it like a poker chip. The chip represents money at the table, but outside that system, the chip itself isn't the cash. It's similar with a payment token. It represents the card data without exposing the actual card number. The sensitive data can be stored securely in a token vault, while your systems work with the token instead. So recurring payments, subscriptions, and other payment processes can continue without storing the original card details throughout your environment. And if someone gets hold of that token, they can't simply calculate the original card number from it. That helps reduce the exposure of sensitive payment data and can significantly reduce PCI scope. So, in simple terms, replace the valuable data, keep the functionality. That's payment tokenization. IXOPAY Payments Explained.